We're here at 617 39th Avenue North in St. Pete doing a sewer inspection. I'm just in the main vent stack of the house right now. And here we are at the base of the stack. Over. Trying to keep the bottom side of the pipe on the bottom side of the screen here. Nice and straight line. That looks like the end of the run. That's a test tee at the end of the sewer pipe. About 75 feet. See if we can figure out where that is. So this sewer pipe comes out of the back side of the house and runs all the way out to the alley. Pretty much a straight shot from the house straight back to the alley. The main sewer pipe under the house and in the yard is all cast iron and looks to be in good shape. Trying to get this one out of here and into the next vent before it starts pouring down rain. It's already starting to sprinkle up here on the roof. Now we'll go down to the next drain, or the next vent stack over here, more than likely the kitchen. Push down through there, over to this area. Now we're going down this other vent stack over here. Down into the cast iron just at the base of the stack here. This is the 2-inch kitchen drain running over towards the main drain. Not a very far run. In there, and right there is where it ties on to the line that we were already inside of, so about 16 feet, give or take. One other vent stack on this roof. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get down it, because it runs down the side of the house here. But I'll try to get through there from up this side. And that's the other one over there. I can't see anything. It's that one over there. So we'll try and shoot down that one next. So I'm not actually able to get inside of this other drain pipe. I'm actually on the ground now and opened the drain pipe, but I'm unable to push through the base of the stack and go inside and see what flows through this line. Okay, so the two first vent stacks I went down. The first one was for the main bathroom. The second one's for the kitchen and the bathroom. The one I can't get down from the outside is this laundry line. So this is a newer line tied into what I'm assuming is the older sewer. But unfortunately I cannot get the camera in there.